Hello everyone, I am Pratham Mehta and I am a data science intern at Virtual Internship Program by AINE AI. The main aim of this video is to create a rock paper scissor game using Python. So in this, the rules are the rock wins against the scissor and if the user selects paper and the computer selects the scissor, so the scissor wins against the paper. As you can see the rules listed over here. I have also formulated a flowchart based upon the rules and the permutation and combination that I have used for all the variety of possibilities. So let's dive into the code. So before diving into the code, I would import random module. Now the available choices. So for us, let us store it in data. So would be rock, paper, scissors. Let us do this. Now using the while loop, I will keep this while loop running until the user selects no, and afterwards the loop gets break. So that will be explained later, the flow of it. So for example, I will first of all I will take user's input. So user choice is equals to input. Enter your choice. That would be rock, paper, scissor. Then computer choice. That would be dependent upon the random module, which will select random values from the data. So the computer choice random dot choice data. Now I will print both of them, both the choices. So users selected computer selected computer choice. Correct? So now if let's apply if and else conditions. So if user choice is equivalent to computer choice, then I will print that the game it is a tie. Else, let's say else if. So else if user choice is equivalent to rock. Let's say if he selects rock, then print rock. And if computer. Sure. And I would say that rock wins, correct? So the user wins. So rocks, masses, scissors. User wins. But what if? What if it is a paper? Then the paper covers the rock and the computer wins. Covers the rock. Computer wins. Or else if let's consider another scenario. If user choice is, let's say, equivalent to paper. Let me copy the statement. And if computer choice is, let's say, again rock. So paper wins. Covers rock. User wins. Else the computer wins by having the Caesar. So Caesar cuts the paper. Computer wins. Else, let's say, now if the user selects scissors, then what? And if computer selects the same thing, the rock, let me copy this, then what? Rock wins or Caesar wins. Or let's say over here paper. Wait a minute. Paper. So user wins over here. Else computer wins. Exit through this, and since all the possibilities are covered, I would ask the user to see whether if he wants to continue the game or not. So I will, let's say, exit this if else if loop and if loop from here, and let's say replay. And I will ask the user input. Wanna play again? So he should say either Y as yes or N as no. And I will let's say if the user clicks yes, then replay dot load is, for example, not equal to yes. Then it will break the statement and it will exit the while loop. I will exit this while loop and I will just make a statement. Thanks for playing. Thanks for playing this game. So, after correcting the syntax error, I run this code. And if I select it, let's say rock, user selected rock and computer selected Scissor. So rock smashes the Scissor and the user wins. Wanna play again? So I will say yes, let's try out paper. Oh god, it is a tie. Wanna play again? Let's say yes. Let me say Scissor. Again it is a tie. I want to play again. Let's say paper. Okay, I lost. I don't want to play again, so I will say no. Thanks for playing this game.